Afternoon children. In this video I'll be showing you how to draw a clock. You need a sheet of paper or you can place it on a notebook also. Take a bangle and then a scale, eraser and a color pencil and a pencil. Okay, first you will be placing a bangle on the sheet and then you can keep a middle point and then from there you can come around the bangle, so you will get a good circle here. Alright, after this you should also mark a center, a middle point here, okay, to draw the hands of the clock later. Next, you take your scale, you have to keep just half here and then just straight to this middle point. You can use a color pencil and then draw lines here. On top one small line and bottom one line, vertical position. Okay, then you should mark even in the horizontal position to your right, one line on the right and one line on the left. So now if you see the clock face, you will be marking these four for the numbers like 12 on the top and 3 on your right, then number 6 on the bottom, and to your left it should be 9. So these 4 numbers if you mark, after that to mark the other numbers it is very easy. What you have to do now, later from 1 you keep your finger, okay, one finger you place it in between that and you can mark a point, and then after that again a finger you mark another point. So you will get 2 points between these 4 numbers. Okay. So this will become after 12, which is the number you are going to write on the clock face, 1. Then after 1 you will be writing 2. Alright. Next you have 3 here. After 3 you will again place one finger, mark another point, again one more point here for the other number, that is 4 and 5. Right. Now 6. After 6 again you place your finger, mark a point here, then again another point from that. So you will get 7 and 8. You have 9 here already. It's 10 and 11. So this is how you will mark the points and write the numbers on the clock face. So it is easy now, right? Otherwise, if you just mark it randomly without measuring or keeping your finger, your clock face doesn't look nice. Now all the spacing is equal, right? So this is how you will do. And how many lines should come in between? Now for long hand is going to show the minutes. Now you have to draw 2 hands of the clock, right? So one long hand, let us draw to 12. Alright. And another short hand, let me draw it to 3. This is a short hand. So now you all know very well that short hand is going to show the hour and long hand is showing the minutes, right? So this, and you have a small thin second hand also. This I have showed you in the video also, how it keep on moving. And now between these two, as I told you, for minutes you have to recall 5 tables. So from 12 onwards you will write 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the 5th mark will be the next number, right? So 4 small lines you will show, that those are the minutes, right? 12, then 12 1, 12 2, 12 3, 12 4 and 12 5. So when it comes to minutes, this 1 is going to be 5 minutes, right? So this 12 will be in which minute? 60th minute, right? Because 60 minutes makes 1 hour. Next, after this again 1, 2, 3 and 4 lines, again it is 2, this will be 10 minutes. So this will show you the 10 minutes. This is now you are writing the 5 tables, 5, 10. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, like that. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 3 will be the 15th minute, right? Then 4 will be the 20th minute, and then again 4 lines, and 5 will be 25 because 5 5s are 25. Then 6, 5 6 are 30, 5 7s are 35, this will be 35th minute. Then 5 8s are 40, equal 4 lines you draw, children. So it is be 45th minute. Then 1 2 3 4 and 5th minute is 50. Then 1 2 3 4, this is 55. Then 1 2 3 4, this is the 60th minute. So this is how the clock face is to you. So I hope you understood the method to draw a clock in a very easy pattern. Okay, this is a circle. If you use a scale, then you should measure equal distance to draw a square clock, square or a rectangle clock. It has to be equal distance. So you have to measure it with a number. See, you have a scale. Do you know how to use? See, from 0 to 5 you can take, depending on the space you have. Then this, if you are going to draw a square, means it has to be equal size, right? So 5 to, again from 0 to 5 you will draw. All the 4 sides should be equal for a square, right? So again 0 to 5, again you will draw from 0 to 5. So now you get a square clock. Sorry, if you don't hold your scale properly, you get a cross line. So you try to hold it straight. Now even in the square clock you have to do the same method of drawing the lines. First you will give 4 lines on top, bottom, right and left. You will mark the numbers 12, 3, 6 and 9. Later you can draw equally for the other numbers. I hope you understood. Thank you, children.